Over the past year and a half, Spark has started working on a new design. It's something that's not meant to replace the Bandit or any other electric bike. We've been seeing more and more companies start to develop apps that we believe raise concerns about user data. We don't like the concept of a big company tracking how many miles you ride and then all of a sudden you get an email for a discount off some new tires. It's going too far. So we've been finding inspiration for the new design in interesting areas. We've been looking at analog synthesizers and vintage motorcycles, things that use tactile interfaces like toggle switches and buttons. We want to bring that to the new design. It doesn't fall into the category of an e-bike or a moped or even a motorcycle. We're still trying to figure out how to categorize this thing.